This is Board Talk with Marcus Harbin, and this episode will be about your needs analysis. Meaning, and this will help you out a lot. I know a lot of people, when they run into salespeople, they're annoyed, whatever the case may be. Well, that's really because the salesperson is usually going to ask you questions besides their attitude and how they're acting. They're going to ask you questions. Well, if you come in to a dealership already knowing and understanding what you want, it'll make it a lot easier for you, and you can be a lot more direct and precise with the time that it takes to find the car that you want. No matter what brand, if you're looking for a Lamborghini, a Bentley, a Range Rover, a Honda, Dodge Challenger, Charger, or Jeep. So if you click or go to this website, go to this link, you'll actually find a form that I've created, and it's a replica pretty much of the needs analysis, which is what salesmen are trained to ask to make sure that they have you on the right vehicle, the right car. So let's call it customer needs analysis. And there's a form, and if you answer all of those questions for you, just sit at home watching TV, after dinner, in the kitchen, whatever, with your friends, and to go through. Do you have to have leather? Do you have to have cloth? Do you have to have four-wheel drive? Do you have to have navigation? Do you want a touchscreen? Does it not have to have a touchscreen? Is the price more important? What price range are you really wanting to be around? What payment range are you really wanting to be around? If you knock out those, I promise you it will be so much easier for you. Promise you. And no one will be able to jack you around. So again, this is Board Talk with Marcus Harbin. MarcusHarbinAutoSales.com is where you will find that form. You just hit the financing tab and you'll be able to see. You can print it off, answer it, print it off, and bring it with you. Make a copy for each of the salespeople. Just saying. This is Marcus Harbin with Board Talk.